As a responsible citizen of South Africa, it came to me like when the soldiers are together and they're like, attention. So it came for my attention that I must come and for speaking to the all matriculation students, since they wait for their reports, since they'll be getting their reports tomorrow. And I'm here to say all for the best and good luck for that best. And as a citizen of the responsible of South Africa, no, as a responsible citizen of South Africa, I remember when I was going to school, I used to get for my report form for my school. I'll go for my school and the ma'am will give me my report form and I'm taking it and I'm hide it and I'm give it to my family when I get home. But I've been told that you'll be getting your report form for in the newspaper, but I'm struggling like for understanding the newspaper, because there are many matriculation students. How many report forms are gonna be in that one newspaper? But that's not for my business. My business is that if you don't if like you buy one newspaper and you don't get for your report form, you look and you don't get it, buy all the newspaper, buy them all and look, and if you don't find yourself, buy them all, Drum Magazine and all You Magazine and all of them, and look. And if you don't find yourself again, buy all the shingam that you call shappies, and it says, did you know, when you open it. Buy all the shingams and check, did you know. If your name is not there, you can buy that packet of potato, not the 2 rand packet of not the 2 rand potato that is eaten by for the rich people. I'm talking about the pockets, that big one that is 10 rand, and you turn the packet and then you check for your name. If you don't find for your name there, listen to me. It's not for the end of the world. Do not lose for the hope. You still have for 2016 for you to make for your life better. And as they always say, that you must like pull your socks. Pull your socks in 2016 and do for something better for your life. And if you don't wear socks, you can just pull your pantyhose if you're wearing pantyhose, pull your boxer if you're wearing a boxer, pull your skinny jean if you're wearing a skinny jean, as long as you're pulling something. And remember, we for need to in this world, we for want to be something in one day, we for need to be for the next president, we for need to be for the next Sengshilo. So to not kill yourself, no killing for yourself, even killing is better. No committing for a suicide, not commit for that big English thing that is bad. Killing yourself is much better, but this suicide thing, please do not do it. Do not do it. We for love you. And to all for the families, please support your child. Support your child if they don't make it. Support them and give them all the love they need so that we can become a better country. And for my last statement is that if your child is like pass their matric with a condone, don't be for anger at them. Do not be for anger at them. Behave, because getting a condom is like a condomizing. You wanna have a child, but then because you have the condom, and then it blocks you from having that child. So it's blocked your child from passing the matric, but they wanted to pass the matric. That's why it's called condoned. So to all for the matriculation students, good luck. For all the best, we love you with all for our hearts. And as for all those who not gonna make it, we're gonna love you, we're gonna care for you, we're gonna support you, we're gonna give you courage, we're gonna give you strength, we're gonna give you support. We love you very, very, very much.